how to operate your diffuser. First, remove the decorative outer cover and the inner lid of the unit. Make sure that the water reservoir is empty. Next, we will insert the adapter plug into the jack found at the bottom of the diffuser. Here. Make sure to insert properly and that the plug can move freely between the feet of the diffuser. Okay, use the inner lid to fill the reservoir with water using this technique. Release your finger, fill in the water. Then add drops of essential oils of your choice. Remember, for first-time oilers, start low and slow. Just put a maximum of 4 drops. Place the inner lid back into the unit. Make sure to align the groove on the lid with the half circle feature found on the outer surface of the reservoir. Place the decorative outer cover and plug the power adapter into the power outlet. Okay, press the power button. This will turn the unit on in high output mode. Also, the default white light will turn on. The maximum continuous runtime is approximately 5 to 6 hours in high output mode. Press again for low output mode. The maximum runtime is approximately 8 hours. Press again for intermittent output mode. The maximum runtime is approximately 10 hours. Remember, for first-time oilers, start low and slow. You can use the low output or the intermittent output mode for diffusing. The light will remain on even after the automatic shut-off. By default, the white light will turn on when you power on the diffuser. Press the light button one time for dim white light. Press again for candlelight flicker. Press again to cycle through 7 color options. Press again to select the color of the light you wish to have. That's it. Happy diffusing!